So you're considering joining Master Affiliate Profits, perhaps as a free member. Well, congratulations. You're about to go on a whirlwind ride. But did you know that not all free members get treated the same way? Well, it's true. It depends on who you enroll with. My name's Dori O'Neill, and I'd like to paint a picture for you what you get as a free member when you enroll with Master Affiliate Profits through either my affiliate link or one of my team members' affiliate links. You see, I've been involved in helping people earn money online for 5 decades. That's 50 years. And during that time, I've owned companies that were very successful at creating successful work from home businesses for people just like you. And my team is going the extra mile. Yes, you will get the same $600 onboarding training, but you're going to get a lot more when you look at the benefits that are involved with joining either my team or a member of my team's team. We're absolutely committed to your success. We believe wholeheartedly in the concept of earn while you learn. And yes, you're going to get that access to that 10-part YouTube viral funnel. And yes, you're going to get access to extra advanced training that we do on a weekly basis. You're going to get access to free traffic systems. You're going to get access to done-for-you Aweber systems that will plug right into Master Affiliate Profits. And yes, you're going to get access to our AI advertising platform that's exclusive to us. So if you're considering Master Affiliate Profits, either as a free member, silver, gold, or platinum, you're going to get treated like gold, because we believe that people like you that are coming into our business need to be treated with love and respect. And so our mission is to help you make money. And if you look at other people that are offering other bonuses, reach out to them. Ask them if they're going to provide you with a free 365-day email motivation series. Ask them if they're going to provide you a free 10-part YouTube viral funnel. But more importantly, ask them if they're going to provide you with live one-on-one training that is available to everybody, free members, silver, gold, and platinum. What will that do for your business if you have access to an AI advertising platform and you have the opportunity to have your people and yourself walk through the entire setup process? So if you're looking at Master Affiliate Profits on any level, I encourage you to seriously consider either joining through my link, which is yesenroll.com/map, or one of my team members' links. My name's Dori O'Neill. Reach out to me. I'm here to help, and we hope to see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. Goodbye.